My name is Jennifer DeMarco, and I'd like to welcome you to the Forge It web series workshop. This is class number 4. One of the things we really believe here at Blue Forge Productions is that actions speak louder than words, or blogs, or tweets, or status updates. We think that the best way to learn is by jumping in, hands-on experience. But we know that not everyone can do that. You can't just jump right into your web series. Maybe you don't have the right props or the right actors yet. So we wanted to find a way with our workshop to let you have hands-on experience and work out your learning curve before you leapt into your series. And this is our idea. This is what we came up with. Looking at the board, you might already know what we're going to do. Genre, dramedy. Audience, family. Tagline, on the sniff. I'm talking, of course, about Ghost Sniffers Season 2. Since I'm the creator of Ghost Sniffers, I own the rights. So we can use Ghost Sniffers to test your skills. So let's look at it now. POV. That hasn't been decided yet for Season 2, either as the theme or the central question. Now this stuff is set. The tagline had already been written, and our audience and our genre are set from Season 1. We've had some feedback from the actors. The main actress, the principal, my daughter, Faith Eben DeMarco, who plays Faith Forge, she doesn't want to be the central character of the series anymore. It's a lot of pressure on very small shoulders. So what kind of POV would we be looking at then? Would we want a completely wide open POV where both the ghost hunters and the creatures all have their chance to tell a story? Well, that would be one option. By the way, if you haven't watched Season 1 of Ghost Sniffers, stop this video and go do that now. POV. Let's come back to it. Let's move on to theme. What is our theme for this series, for this season? The theme for the first season was colorful, rainbow colors, almost a spectrum of colors. This theme, I'm looking for something different. What's our central question? Some of this is set from Season 1. For instance, I know that our central question is going to be, can we rescue Maximilian? Why? Because I know that character is missing and stuck in a dream world. Half the episodes I know I want to have, as the principal writer, I know these things because these are the decisions I have to make. Half the episodes will be set in the real world, half of them will be set in the dream world. I want to have fun and show that we are a dramedy. These episodes, the real world episodes, will be epic adventure stories, where in each episode, the kids are looking for a magical ingredient. That ingredient, which of course will be found in every episode, will then appear in the corresponding dream world episode. Ingredient number 1 will appear in episode 2. The ingredient found here will appear here, and so forth. Those ingredients will help Maximilian, who is stuck in the dream world, progress through his dream world adventures. These will be more serious, epic adventures. These will be completely ridiculous parodies of 80s films and other classic films. Why did I make that decision? To support my genre, a dramedy. Drama and comedy. My theme. Well, what if my theme was silliness? Well, that really doesn't support this side now, does it? Let's come back to that. My POV. It's got to be joint, a shared POV among the children. I don't think I want to go all the way and have the creatures be able to tell their stories too. We already have a structure that's going to limit us in some ways. So let's say the ghost hunters or the kids. I'm still not sure on the theme. What should the theme be? Epic? Can epic be a theme? I'm not sure. Let's think about it and come back to it. Knowing that we can come back to the theme because I feel a little stuck is very freeing. So let's look at the rest of it. We have our 9 milestones, and I've numbered them in black, 1 through 9. We have our 12 episodes. We also, of course, can refer back to our milestones chart for a 12-episode season. Now let's number the milestones. So if we refer to our chart, our inciting incident must happen in episode 1. Inciting incident, number 1, needs to happen here in episode 1. Then, episode 2. By episode 2, we need our central question. Episode 3, the hero's challenge is made clear. Then, we have a reveal of what the hero personally desires. That's by episode 4. So far, our milestones and our episodes line up perfectly. But it's not going to stay that way because we have 12 episodes and 9 milestones. Episodes 5 through 7 show growth and change of our hero. Then episodes 8 and 9 show the deeper commitment to prevail and hard work. Episode 10 gives us our fall, a downturn for our heroes. Momentum builds, the final momentum, moving ever forward toward the season finale, the resolution in episode 12. Even as I was working with you to assign the 9 milestones to the 12 episodes, it started to occur to me what our theme should be. In the real world episodes, the kids are questing for an ingredient. In the dream world episodes, Maximilian is using that ingredient on his own little quests. It's quests. A theme can certainly be quests. Quests are one of the oldest types of stories. They're epic, they're exciting, and they have a formula. Decide on your mission, quest to succeed at the mission, succeed. Actually, it's not just quests, is it? It's epic quests. So here we go. Our rough draft, quests, becomes our final draft for our theme, epic quests. Now that sounds like a fun theme to deal with for a kids show. Now, just because we know that the inciting incident happens in episode 1 doesn't mean that we know what that inciting incident is. The same for any of these milestones. None of that has been charted out yet. What are the ingredients? Which films will be parodied? Those types of things are part of the series development for season 2. One of the things that Forge It does is we add live online chat time with your instructor into each section. This is class 4. We're ending the first section of the Forge It web series workshop. So that means we're due to have a live chat that all the students can speak with me, you can ask questions, and we can cover something like this. Now, of course, we can also talk about your individual series if you're ready to speak about that already. But we can also focus on Ghost Sniffers Season 2. You can try out your skills, see what sounds right, bounce ideas off other people. So what will these 9 milestones be? Let's chart it out together. And if you're coming to the workshop later than July or August of 2012, that's okay. I'm pretty sure that Ghost Sniffers is still running. And if it isn't, there will be another Blue Forge series that we can talk about in live chat following this same formula so that you can still test your skills. Thanks for sticking with me, and this ends class 4 of the Forge It web series workshop. Thanks.